In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Binance trading fees, focusing on spot trading fees and buy-sell charges. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced one, saving on fees can significantly impact your overall trading profits. So let's delve into some simple yet effective steps to help you keep more of your hard-earned money. First, a fundamental strategy to lessen your trading fees on Binance is to hold Binance Coin or BNB in your wallet. BNB is Binance's own cryptocurrency, and having some in your possession can provide you with valuable benefits. Not only does holding BNB enable you to pay fees in this currency, but it also entitles you to a substantial discount on your trading fees. So, if you haven't already, consider obtaining some BNB and maintaining it in your Binance wallet. Next, you'll need to activate the option to use BNB for paying fees. Begin by heading over to your profile. Once there, tap on the settings option. This will take you to a menu where you can tweak various aspects of your account. The option you need is located under the general section. Here, look for a feature labeled using BNB. This feature is crucial as it allows you to activate the discount. After you've found it, the next step is to enable the Use BNB to Pay Fees option. By doing this, you can take advantage of a generous 25% discount on all your trading fees. It's a straightforward switch that can result in significant savings over time, especially if you're an active trader. Additionally, keep an eye out for zero-fee pairs on the spot market. Binance often runs promotional events where certain trading pairs are exempt from fees. By choosing to trade these zero-fee pairs when they're available, you can potentially conduct transactions without incurring any trading fees at all. These promotions frequently change, so it's a good idea to check regularly or subscribe to Binance's updates to ensure you don't miss out on these opportunities. To summarize, reducing your Binance trading fees involves a few simple actions. Hold some BNB in your wallet, navigate through your profile settings to enable the BNB fee payment option, and make use of zero-fee pairs during promotional periods. By following these steps, you can effectively cut down on the costs associated with your trading activities, leaving more profit in your pocket. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your crypto trading and maximizing your profits. Happy trading.